Tara Sutaria made her debut in Bollywood with Karan Johar Student of the Year 2 in 2019. For the movie, she has even won the award for the Best Female Debutant. Since her debut, she has been the center of media attention. It's not just her career that drew attention. Her personal life got more attention. Although the actress has kept her dating life secret, her fans are quite curious. So, today, we will talk about Tara Sutaria's secret love life. Before we start, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Tara was rumored to be dating actor Rohan Vinod Mehra before her debut. From romantic trips to parties, they were spotted together on various occasions. But they never acknowledged the relationship in public. After the release of her first movie, it was reported that they broke up. Then she was rumored to be dating her Marjawa co-star Siddharth Malhotra. She has also been linked with Ishaan Khattar in the past. But she never spoke about any of her relationships and didn't make any comments on any reports. Fans were thinking that Tara may be single, but then some new reports came. The reports suggest Tara is dating Ranbir Kapoor's cousin Aadar Jain. They first met at a Diwali celebration in 2019 and sparks flew. They were seen together at Arman Jain's wedding as well. At the wedding, she even danced with Aadar, and the chemistry was spot on. Two of them have been reported to be in a relationship for over a year now. Sources say things are quite serious between the two. And this time, Tara seems to be ready to make her relationship official. Tara and Aadar's public appearances and social media PDA confirm this fact. Tara has shared a number of romantic posts with Aadar. And on each post, Aadar's reactions have been convincing enough. In one post, Tara shared a picture of both of them together in party wear to wish Aadar on his birthday. In that post, Aadar commented, "I love you" with a heart emoji. After that comment, there are no more assumptions. It's confirmed, Tara Sutaria is in a relationship with Aadar. And we can't be happier. What are your thoughts on Tara and Aadar's relationship? Let us know in the comment section. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and share.